Musta na Horibus G? Okay lang, right now we're having fun. Miss you so much, miss you too so much. How's your day? My day, it's it's a tiring day for me because I don't have much sleep. And I did a lot. I danced a lot. I used my brain so much today. I mean, not so much naman. Like parang I have to memorize so many. Yeah, ayun. I'm kind of tired. But since you guys are my pahinga anchors, yeah, nag-live ako ngayon even though I'm tired. Nasaan po si Marcus? Baka nandun sa room niya. Anyong Jeremy, anyong, I'm so proud of your little tiger. Thank you so much. Pakinggan mo po yung Kahel na Langit. Oh, I know that song. Yeah, this good. TMI, I'm not supposed to be here in dorm right now. I'm supposed to be outside because me and Kuya Kyler and Kuya Jam, we nagaya kanina to bike papuntang Binondo kasi wala lang, I just wanna go there because like the hype there is like right now is like parang dami talaga, so I wanna see kung ano ba maganda doon. But yeah, hindi kami natuloy kasi umulan. Kaya yun. So what's your favorite song right now? I don't know. I'm not sure about my favorite songs anymore. Pero kami sa kotse mo. What do you mean? Kotse ko? Sa Roblox. Okay. Miss ko na kayo, OMG. Naging sponsor ng Horizon dati. Ngayon nag-stop na ako. You can still go. Yeah, ba't ang pogi mo? Hindi ko. Ano yung favorite subject mo? TLE. TLE is my favorite. One of my favorite subject. Want to see you soon too. Oh, yeah. Pagpagkita naman mansin. What's up, Des? You saw me soda pop. Soda pop. Yeah, I'm planning to do that. So you guys just wait, huh? I started my dancing video earlier. So maybe tomorrow I might post something too. It's another dance, so yeah, just wait for it. I mean, I'm not sure if ano ba to? I'm not sure if I'll post it tomorrow or when. I'll post it whenever, like kapag na-take ko na yung video. During nagkakapalit bra. Sino magpapasumba ka? I don't know how to do sumba. Baka mahirapan pa kayo. Ay, go. Math cross end ka na. Bakit ka din syempre? Kaka-start lang. Namiss ako ng mga angkos. Mag-end ka agad. Maya na. Punta na ka lang dito. Doon ka sa alam niyo naman kung saan kayo tambay. Sana magka-event ulit kayo sa Laguna. Sana. I wanna go around the Philippines so that I mean it's tiring pero I want to do it because it's fun and the uncles are happy and us too, we're happy. What's my favorite movie? 20th Century Girl? I think, yeah. 20th one, yeah. June ka mag-live? I'm not sure, maybe around 11. 11 ako mag-live, salit lang ako mag-live ngayon. mong buhay. Kaya Kim na lang pasumpa dyan. Pwede naman. Kailangan sa live viewer. Around 10:35. Did you watch the Squid Game Season 2 already? Not yet. Season 2 pa lang napapanood eh. Kailan kayo pupunta sa Pampanga? Hindi ko rin alam. But I can go there anytime. I wanna go to Pampanga. Dito wala ka. Kung wala ka. I'm super Paranaque. I wanna go there too. What's up, Jeremy? What's up, Jella? Wah, balita ko ngayon. Uy, ang wakas. You guys should listen to Arthur Miguel. Yung ang wakas, it's good. Pagalitan lumaban pag hindi na kaya. Saan nakukuha ng lakas? Ibuhos na lahat, wala pa rin itong pag-asa. Isa ka lalaban sa pagtagpo ng oras ay mawawakas. Masisisi mo ba kung ayaw na talaga ang pag-ibig mo'y tuluyang malaw? At nagpabigla mga titig ay nag-iba. Ko'y lumalaw Dude, so just raps on the napapakinggan ko. Guys, I'm just listening to music. I'm not really raps right now. Encantadia? What do you mean? Wait, what? Dear, nanonood ako ng... Nanonood pala siya ng Encantadia. Kala ko watching from Encantadia. What is that, bro? Naman mo. Just na ba ako hair color? Di pa eh. I just stick to black. Masisisi mo ba kung ayaw na talaga? Your favorite philosophy about? Hello guys, I'm sorry. Nawala yung wifi. Sorry, nawala. You don't make kinilig na from 2020. Ano naman dapat ikakilig, diba? Hi guys. Bakit ka na? Sana sinabi mo, parang di na masamay tayo pa sa uli. Sana sinabi mo, hayaan naman kitang sumaya at umalis. Sana sinabi mo, Para di na umasamay tayo pa sa uli. Sana sinabi mo, hahayaan naman kita sa... Guys, I wanna go out. Kuya Jeremy, post ka. Tayo pa rin sa huli, biglang nalaman ko, may hinihintay ka lang palang. Next na natin, pangit. Uy, before singing. Oh. Ano daw? Jiro on the... Okay. Congratulations, di ka nalag. Sorry ah. Sorry na. Hindi na muna ako gagawa ng peta. Uy, gawin mo yan habang nanonood. Bawal yan. Mas importante yung peta mo. Performance task yan. No? Jiro, kumain ka, no? Isang beses na ako kumain yan. I'm not in the mood to eat. I'm okay. Hindi naman ako nagutom. Like parang pag napagtripan ko lang kumain, doon ako makain. Then pa ulit ako nagutom. Kaya okay lang. I wonder why I said in you once you disappear and I let you go. Pero okay lang ba? Seeing. Bakit? For it's too late. You ka lagi, Jira. Yes, JM_zone. Yeah, I know. You guys too. At umuulan nga, nag-ingat kayo dyan. Let's stop with that the song now. Let's listen to the song. May bukas pa naman eh. Ayoko nga. Maulan dyan, Jira. Yeah, maulan po. Roblox bro. I'm a pass. Ayoko muna maglaro. I'll play once I get back sa bahay. Maulan daw. Sim. Sige, kayo rin dito nanonood. May kabi. Maulan dito, di nga kami natuloy magbike eh. Kasama si Kakail. Pares ang April lang. What's up, April? 1 year gap lang tayo, pero ako parang grade 7 daw sa okay lang yun. Ang tama siguro. Well, po next dance class, I'm not sure when, but my plan is maybe next month again. But yeah, it's just my plan. He's not sure yet, so don't keep your ano ba to? Ang tawag doon, nakalimutan ko yung word. Expectation. Hi. Yeah, boom, tarat nga dyan, boom. Uy, gumawa na ako ng ano. Kanya boom, tarat. Why po binalig brace mo? Because my teeth is pumangit ulit. That's why. Tsaka nung tinanggal ito, hindi pa naman talaga tapos yung pag-ayos ng ngipin ko. So yeah. My back hurts. I feel like I'm already... 1K ulit makakita si Jiro. Soon. Anong haircut mo? I'm not sure. Just long back dito. Tapos yung mabalan dito. Tapos pinaparims ko lang lagi yung gilid. Inaantok ka na, boy. Tulog ka na maya. Post ko yung wallpaper ko. Sige. If this is a puzzle, then let's try to solve it. Wallpaper nyo na. Ganyan pa live na. Yes po. Around 11, 10:30. Then na-end yung live and then nag-relive lang po ako. Hirap magmahal ng sikat. Uy. Bawal yun. Asa ba yung chat ni Kuya Kyler? Wala naman. Hindi ko naman nakita. Back at the photograph, happy with the choice that we made. Kamusta ka naman? I'm good. Super good. I'ma end my live around 11:10. 11:10. Where's Anika? Anika is back nasa Korea na. Sa bahay. Bilis naman. 11:30 na. Ayoko. 11:10 lang. Tatulog na ako. I'm too tired. What do you mean by that, bro? Of course, I'll feel it both. Career or study. I'll feel it both, bro. Dreaming of you next year, please. Nah, I'm good. Lima lang early ka matutulog ka. Hindi ko rin alam eh. Kasi the past few days I always sleep like around may araw na like what? Yeah. And tomorrow our call time is maaga. So yeah. I know, lagi na akong puwet kaya nga pumayat na ako. Pumayat. Love you guys. Love you bunso. Love you too. Well, jawline. Yeah, of course. Jawline check. I love music never. Killing it, girl. Ganda na kanta na yun. Nakaset ba phone time mo sa Korean time? No. Why? In Korea, it's already 12 a.m. there. Ito na lang. Ang mundong walang ikaw, tatandang lugod kasama ka, at kaya nailan mahalin kita. Okay, bilis ang takbo ng panahon, walang nanatili sa mga kahapon. Umiiyak na lang sa mga litrato, muli napapaisip kailan mo naramdaman na yun na ako mahal. Ba naman ito mga kanta? Kainis. Sa mundong maglolokohan din is Minjong Melatonin? Oh, ano nga sa'yo? Oh, wow. 잘 지내? 좀 괜찮아요. 매니저님은 잘 지냈어요? Long time no see. 맞아요, long time no see. Long time no see. 멋지네. 아이고, 왜 멋지네? 힘들어? 힘들어? 촬영 못 봤어. 거짓말 치지 마세요. 거짓말 치지 마세요. 진짜. 에이. 아마 다음 년 한국에 갈 거예요. 그냥 what's it called that? I forgot. 그냥 가고 싶어요. 한국에 너무 보고 싶었어요. 빡두긴 기만. 엥? 뭐요? 잠시만요. 못했어요. 못했어요. Bro, like I'm talking in Korean, like, and then like the background music is like favorite crime. Like what? Nah, bro. Did I log in? Translate mo naman na. Yo guys, don't say that. That's bad. Hello. Lag ba? May lag? Bro, am I lagging? What's with your teeth? It's braces. Yo, am I lagging? Am I lagging? Can you guys know any? Okay. But like, okay, my laptop will lag. I'm sorry. Wait, let me refresh it. Ayun, okay na. Okay. Andito nga si Kyler. Naghahinga siya sa manager namin. Manager 이거 brace. For my teeth. Good night. Doon tayo sa mga matutulog. 11:10 na, huwag niyo nang paalala. huwag na ipaalala eh, ikaw nga nag-chat. 아프겠다. 좀 아파요. 근데 괜찮아요. Sige. No. Sige, extend ko ang ganda ng bagong nakahil niya. Kanta na kahil ni Maki Nugas. Yeah. 귀엽네. 거짓말. 설레. 설레. Yeah, extended. Yeah, of course, for you guys. I extended. 11:30? Pag-isipan ko, but right now, it's 11:11. Yung ganyan. Let me think about it. I'll think about it if I'll end around 11:20 or 11:30. Sleep ka na. Anong wish mo? Secret? It's always the same, my wish. Anyang, what's up? Amen. Connection namin sa manager. Wala na. Isa. Nah, guys, I'm not gonna extend this until 12 because if I extend this, bruh, I can't sleep na because I'm not sleepy na. Namiss kita sobrang naka. I miss you too. Jero, kompleto na ba kayo ulit na pito? Kuya Kim is still in Bacolod. But like the other members are all here na. Traumatic ka naging dilulo. Hindi naman siya. What? Hindi naman ako dilulo ah. Uli na, shit. Kumain ka ng Jiro. Isang beses pa nga lang ako makain ng araw. Because I'm not hungry. Jiro and ka ulit mag-Roblox. Hindi ko pa alam. Ang ganda ng lashes ko ngayon, no? It's because of the filter, guys. Wala naman yan. Slayable. Tol, pag good night shot na lang, matutulog na ako forever. Huy, huwag ganun, wag forever, magising ka naman, huy, bawal yan. Ano pa shade ng lips? It's because of that filter, guys, chill. But right now, actually my lips is kind of pinky right now. Are you coming to Korea next year? 아마도요. Not sure yet. Not sure. 근데 저 가고 싶어요. 히히. Crying right now? Why? Don't cry. Nasaan po yellow basket ng lashes mo? Yeah. Later lalagay ko sa I'll put it later sa yellow basket, guys. Nako. Yabi sa kita. Sana all. Sana all, miss. Diba? I'm already lobat. Don't worry ko nalagay ang aking phone holder. Wala guys, until 11:50 na lang talaga ako. Pangit. Wait, what do you... Nandiyan ka na dyan Masin, sorry I'll end in 4 minutes, guys. Don't be sad. Try mo, bro. Mag-me smile. I can't do it. Got me smile. I can't do it. I can do tongue smile. Ew. Nah. Yo, is Collar still there? Wala na si Kyler, Balik ko bukas, I'm not sure. Kahit may sakit na naman pa kasi, pahinga ka na po. May sakit ka pala eh. Tulog na ako guys, in 3 minutes. Ako matulog. Guys, kapag nag-end ako guys, matulog na rin kayo. Huwag na kayo ano yung mga pinagagawa niyo. Bye, Rago. Annyeong. Annyeong na. Minjong na ganin. Good night. Good night, guys. Let's sleep in 2 minutes, guys. Oyasumi kanasu. Oyasumi. I forgot what oyasumi means. Our next week colors of base. I'm gonna do black or red. If you want to make your teeth more whiter, I'll go with red. Red makes your teeth whiter. See. For me, it's either black or red. Yeah. Or transparent, but like transparent, like kind of like your kind of yellowish because when you eat so much. Gray. I recommend it, but like it's just a so-so, like sakto lang. Wow! Oh my God, that's so cute. The bear. But we still have 1 minute left. Oh, it's done. Yeah, for tonight, live, that's it for tonight, guys. I just wanna say thank you for spending time with me, even though like I didn't do much. So yeah, I'll sleep na rin, and you guys should sleep na rin because I know most of the people here watching my live have school pa tomorrow. So yeah, good night everybody, sleep well, I love you all, bye bye. Abangan nyo lang mga schedule namin ha, bye bye.